If you are a new mother and feel that your breast milk supply is low, first remember this: you are not alone. Many mothers experience this, especially in the early weeks after delivery. The good news is that breast milk can be increased naturally with the right habits, care, and patience. The most important factor in increasing breast milk is frequent breastfeeding. Breast milk works on a demand and supply system. The more your baby feeds, the more milk your body produces. Try to breastfeed your baby every 2 to 3 hours, both during the day and at night. Another very important point is proper latching. If the baby is not latched correctly, the breast is not emptied fully, which can reduce milk production. Make sure your baby's mouth covers the areola, not just the nipple, for effective feeding. Hydration plays a key role in breast milk production. Breast milk contains a large amount of water. If you are dehydrated, your milk supply may decrease. Drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. You can also include warm milk, coconut water, and herbal water like cumin or fennel water. Your diet matters a lot during breastfeeding. What you eat directly affects your milk supply and your baby's health. Include healthy foods such as green leafy vegetables, oats, lentils, whole grains, nuts, seeds, garlic, and healthy fats like ghee. Traditional foods known to support milk production can also be helpful when taken in moderation. Stress and lack of sleep can quietly reduce milk supply. Hormones responsible for milk production work best when the mother is relaxed. Try to rest whenever your baby sleeps. Practice deep breathing, light stretching, or meditation to reduce stress. Breast massage is another natural and effective method. Gently massaging the breasts before or after feeding improves blood circulation and helps stimulate milk flow. Using a warm compress before feeding can also support better milk release. Do not skip night feeds. During nighttime, the body produces higher levels of the hormone prolactin, which is responsible for milk production. Feeding your baby at night helps maintain and increase your milk supply. Remember, every mother and baby are different. Milk supply does not increase overnight. Be patient with your body and avoid comparing yourself with others. Trust yourself and your journey. If you still feel concerned about your milk supply, consult a doctor or a lactation consultant for professional guidance. Breastfeeding is not just about feeding your baby. It is a beautiful bond between a mother and her child. Believe in yourself, because you are the best for your baby.